Happy last of November, 30th of November 2024, and I'm catching the last rays of sunshine today. It is exactly 2 o'clock and I can't believe that it will be dark in just a few minutes when the sun goes behind those trees over there, forest. Now I am at this interesting nudist beach spot in the Orhem area. All alone, obviously, because nobody goes to the beach on a day like this. However, it is still a bit warmer than yesterday, 5 degrees warmer. It is whole 5 degrees now. Yesterday it was 0, and I will check very soon how much is in the water. But I really want to catch the last rays of sunshine, so I will need to speed up if I will get some sun while doing my dip. So yes, beach day number 214 today is, and today is obviously the last day of November, so I aim to do also one swim in December before I wrap up the season. So let's see if that's gonna be tomorrow, because the weather is gonna be nice again. Now we have some wind that is not so good, but yeah, greetings from Orhem. Before I get ready for my dip here, I have been to this spot several times before. It's quite nice and interesting. And yes, I started the day today rather late, or actually early, but I did body pump in my local gym and then also did some swimming as well. So that's why I'm a bit late out for my beach adventure today. And now it seems like the sun is setting down, so yeah, let's get ready then for my dip here in Orhem, this spontaneous nudist beach spot on a day like this. So let's get changed and go in for a dip. And the sunset is about to happen as I will go into the water, at least at this part of the lake, as I can see some more sun on that side. So let's see if we can go there instead, if it is possible to dip there. As I mentioned, 5 degrees Celsius in the air, and these rocks are so cold. My feet are freezing right now. But yes, this is what you get when you want to take a dip on the last day of November in Stockholm, Sweden. And this is how it looks like. So yes, there is a bit of sunshine here, so let's just use it before it disappears. Let's go in here and also take a note of the temperature in the water as well. So let's see, so this is Lake Drevviken, and it's quite a large lake, as I mentioned earlier in my episodes, as I have visited this lake obviously several times before. And soon this lake will be covered in ice and it will be possible to ice skate on it. So it says the temperature 4 degrees Celsius, something between 4 and 5, but let's round up to 4 this time. So sunset dip on this spontaneous nudist beach here in Orhem on this Saturday. My feet has frozen from being in the water, so let's speed up the process of the dip for today. I see a spot here where I can go in a bit, so okay, now my half body is in. So are we ready for the quick dip today, Lake Drevviken, on the last day of November? So okay, then we go. 3, 2, 1. So nice, so nice and refreshing, so nice and refreshing indeed. The most challenging part is the head, otherwise the body inside is fine. So yes, with that said, and a very last rays of the sunshine here, I'm gonna say thank you for watching this episode with me, as I really need to get out because of the wind. It's quite chilly, and get dressed and cycle back home. Yes, I didn't mention that it took me 9 kilometers with my bike to get here, and it was 24 minutes of time. So that's a wrap. Greetings from Orhem, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.